Okay, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Mishy's Life TV. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you are currently a subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to bypass the locked Gmail account on a BlackBerry DTech 50. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing that and how I do it, please be sure to continue watching. If this helps you, like, comment, and share this video. And subscribe. It's free. Why not? Anyways, keep on watching. Yeah. Let me show you how to bypass that. This is an Android BlackBerry, by the way. So we're just going to skip all these steps. Let me pause this. Checking. Alright, so here's the spot. So if you try, if you have this error on your account, where it states this device was reset to continue sign in with the Google account that was previously synced on this device. So if I try my own, couldn't find your Google account. That was one I just made up. But if you do something that's legit, like help, I'm sure that's a real one. Well, when you come across this error, you're going to long hold the period symbol on the keyboard, go to settings, under speech, go to text to speech output. Settings here, I believe install voice data, options, open source licenses. So anything on this page, just long press a word. So I'm going to long press department. So it highlights a word. You're going to hit the 3-dot symbol, hit the assist. Okay, so when you reach this screen, just search for Chrome. Oh, it's right here. Click the application. Just click accept and continue. When it says sign into Chrome, click no thank you. So here's where we're going to look for our test DPC, APK. So just type test DPC APK. Now scroll a bit, we're going to look for the web link that has the word APK mirror. This one is from 2015 and this video is from 2019. I just try to look for the most recent one. I don't like this link. So let's just go with the June 2018 version. Perhaps we'll find a more updated version, but apkmayor.com. All right, we reach a web page like that, and we'll just keep scrolling. Keeps claiming there's a more recent version available below, and I'm curious if it'll show it to me. Perfect. So there's the 6.2.0 version that I want. We'll click this down arrow to download it. Once the page is done loading, we'll just scroll down until it says, and we'll download this APK. Chrome needs storage access to download files. So here is where we're going to allow unknown sources. So just click OK. We haven't reached that part yet, so it's downloading. Click open here. Install blocked. So this is where we're going to allow unknown sources. So I'll hit settings. right under device administration, you have unknown sources. So allow installation of apps from unknown sources. We're going to tap that and just click OK because we are going to allow it. So let's head back and now let's try to install this APK we had just downloaded. Yes, we want to install it. Allow Google to regularly check device activity for security problems. Sure, accept. And we'll wait for that to install. Okay, it's completed. We can click open. So we are going to switch it. So when it says setup management, we're going to change it from setup management to setup device owner. Click next. Your organization will control this device and keep it secure. The following Apple Manager device, I guess as an MDM. I'll click set up. Yeah, it tells you what your admin can do. You're the admin. If this phone is for yourself, just click OK. Perfect. No items. So we're going to get back. And here we can search for test DPC. Open up the app itself. Okay, well, we're just going to go to wipe data. Yes, this was the right spot. Factory reset protection. Click OK. And we'll let that reset, and I'll be back when it's complete. I think it's taking at least, it's been about 2 minutes to go through this factory reset here. Well, at this point, I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back once it's complete. Still going. It's been about 3 minutes. Just an update. Still resetting. Promising. Nice. All right. As it was, I'm just going to proceed through the steps. Skip. I'll log into Wi-Fi. Let me pause this. I'm gonna go no thanks. So we're back to square one, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna try my actual email address here. Well, let me think of one that I can do. In fact, forget it. Let's just create an account for myself. Next. Sure. Testing. 9. And look at that, it's letting us proceed. 1, 2, 3, Google. I hope that's secure enough. You want symbols, okay. Capital letter even. Question? Question? Capital letter, y'all. And look at that. We'll skip this. It wouldn't even let us past all this. Agree. You don't have to create a new account. If you have an existing Gmail account, you would enter it there, but for the purpose of the video, I didn't want to use my actual Gmail account. We'll just skip everything. Ain't nobody got time for this. For the video's sake. Not now. We will add an email maybe later. Protect this device and require a PIN or pattern to unlock the screen. I don't care enough. Skip it anyway, because this is temporary. I do not want all these applications to fill up my phone, but thank you so much. Sure, we agree. Yes. Okay. Finish. And there you have it, y'all. You have bypassed that little security feature. Alright, y'all, so that clip ended on me before I expected. Hopefully this helped you guys get into your Android device. And if it did, just be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching.